guys and girls. My name is Olga, and this is my channel about startups. And today I would like to talk about vibe coding when we code something very easily without any IT team, just using our voice or text commands. And one of the very powerful things that exist on the market now is Lovable. And I would like to invite you to test with me one of my ideas and see how lovable, what's going to be the result. So I'm gonna ask this platform to build mental health app for me based on cognitive behavioral therapy, and let's see. Hi, I want to build an app, a CBT mental health app that will measure my mood, and also there will be an AI chat that will know all the data about me, like the previous history of chatting, what I like, what I don't like, what helps me uh, feel better, etc. And it will also offer me some CBT tasks. So let the magic begin. So the Lovable is now thinking. Let's see. If you want, just increase the speed of this video because at some point we will spend some time waiting for the response from Lovable. So might take some time. But in general, I already tried that and it was like, it took me 15 minutes. I will build a calm and professional CBT mental health app, mood tracking, AI chat, exercises, design, very soft features, user authentication. Yes, I need personal data somehow, mood tracking, chat therapy, CBT exercises, blah, blah, blah. Design, okay. First, I will enable Lovable Cloud for authentication, database, and AI features. Uh, it will ask me to allow things, and I will say, okay, I will say allow. So it will build the backend where it will store all the data of every user. It will use some LLM model because it needs to power the AI chat. Okay, it's gonna be free, but it doesn't matter at the moment. So I allow, and we wait for Lovable to think again. Isn't it cool? I mean, you will see that in 15 minutes or so, we will create some prototype. Probably it's not ideal for very big like for some very complicated stuff, but it might be a very good MVP for as a start for a startup to test its idea. Okay, the cloud is enabled. Okay, it works on the database at the moment. Um, Creates the database because we will need to store the user's data so the chat will be able to analyze the history and help the user in the future. Um, then the chat follows. Design, calming therapeutical colors. Okay, I don't care about the design at that moment. I more care about the functionality, whether it will be able to build what I want or my idea. Yeah, let's see. As far as I know, Lovable is not an ideal instrument if you want to create an app. It's more useful if you want to create a web app, as far as I know, but I'll test that. But for web app, it's perfectly fine. But my idea is more about a mobile app, so maybe it's not the best solution for me, but we will see. if you are an IT person, an engineer, or you understand uh, engineering behind the scene, you can watch the progress in more detail, hitting the show all button. But if you are, as I am, I have no clue about engineering, I'm on the business side, so um, I'm perfectly fine with Lovable creating it itself, the code. Um, but maybe again, it will not make the app the way I see it. Maybe the Lovable is not the best solution for that, and maybe vibe coding cannot help me. We'll see, and I will let you know while I work on my idea. But also maybe you could comment, letting me know if you use vibe coding at all, if you use these pre-built apps to build your product, or you prefer the old style way, hire engineers, find investment for that, hire engineers, build a good product, and only afterwards testing it. I think it's a good way to test a very lean idea, lean startup, when you invest very little to build and test your product. This instrument costs me $25 per month, and it makes it possible to build this kind of product. But let's see again, maybe it's not going to work. Okay, so done. Your CBT mental health is ready. It called it Mindful Me. Okay. So what it has: secure authentication, mood tracking, AI chat, 10 exercises, calming design, secure database secured. Um, so it created exercises itself, 10 CBT exercises, taking all its knowledge from the market about CBT therapy, but my idea was to create my own exercises. So let's see if that's gonna be possible. To change that, we'll see. Um, so create an account. Um, okay, so here is the app, um, mood tracker, um, exercises, tracking progress, AI support. Welcome back. Um, I don't see how I can use the chat. Uh, so I can log my mood. Yeah, but it seems that I can't open any of that, and I tell Lovable. I see the issue, hasn't been deployed. It's gonna deploy it. Let's wait. And then I'll let him know that I can't use exercises as well. Seems that, yeah, the mood has been recorded successfully. Okay. So the function is deployed. Let's see. I still can't use it. Let me maybe reload the page. Oh. And it realized all the mistakes. So basically, I told him that I don't see how to chat with the AI therapist. I don't see the tasks. And it turned out that I need to make the full screen, so you won't see me at the moment, where we can see different tabs for different things. So here is the dashboard with mood log. Here is the AI therapist, and here are the CBT tasks that were made by Lovable, and I want to make my own tasks. But let's see, AI therapist, hi, and let's see what's gonna happen. It should be hi there, how are you doing today? So the conversation starts with the AI chat. I don't know the full functionality of that yet. I will check it out later, but here are the CBT tasks. So let's see, activity schedule. Thought records. So here I can add my thoughts. So it's very basic. Challenge catastrophizing. Mostly it offers me to do some notes, which is not a very good way to do the CBT therapy. There should be some tasks that will guide the user. So I will ask if can I change the CBT tasks to my own tasks that I will create. Meanwhile, let's get back to the dashboard. It's a little bit confusing that this is not active and I have to move through these tabs. It should offer me a database where I can change the tasks. Yes, you have this add user call. It needs to do some changes, so I will be able to control the tasks and change it. Meanwhile, we will chat with the AI CBT therapist. Ooh, I guess I can't. Oh. So it tries to be my therapist. I feel I had a fight with my mom, so I don't feel well. So meanwhile, the database was updated so I can edit it. So it's gonna finish it soon. So let's see if we can edit my tasks. I'm really sorry to hear that. do you want to talk more about what happened? So see, it's smart. It tries to make me realize and reflect on my feelings. It's not what I exactly want, but I just now test what it can do. So if you want, share in comments uh, if you think or if you feel like you could test your ideas using Lovable or its competitors. I really want to know if entrepreneurs can use it. What's your opinions? So actually, it's also, these are small icons. Yeah, so this part really needs to be redone because it's all like just notes and there is no real guided task on that. So hold tight, it will be my last part in this video about correcting features, correcting tasks, and we will be done for now. So I'm just waiting for it to finish the database to recode it the way I can modify tasks inside. So here we go. Perfect, you create your own tasks. Uh, let's see. Hmm. Oh, this is the code. I don't want to mess with the code. It should give me, here we go. I think that's what we need. H1 secret logs, CBT tasks. So here we can, as I understand for now, we can modify our tasks. And I will finish on that for today. I will dig into more detail with this instrument and I will let you know if I found something interesting. Meanwhile, please like this video, share or comment.